Hello everyone, more Thai in the United States. My husband collect a shot glass. I call a tiny cup. Every time when we travel, visited places, he always get one. For me, I get the refrigerator magnet, but I kind of like that tiny cup. Then I just don't get anything after later. And I keep looking and thinking on the shelf we have at the moment for a while, not just this moment. And the problem is when I dust, I must take every single piece out of the shelf, and they are tiny. It's been a little harm. And then I thought about the houses I cleaned. They have showcased big one, display, wooden display, glass showcase. And I thought about gonna get that, but we have very small area, so it doesn't enough for open. Then I think about what about the display case, and I look on eBay. I found the clear one first, but I don't want to pay that much. Then I look, and then I got these. I purchased 2 of them. And at the beginning, I spent little longer to figure out how to put them together because I can't read Chinese. The instruction is Chinese, but I am good. I figured out, and the second one is easy because I know which direction to put them together. When my husband came home, I showed him at first. He said, "Looks nice." I am very happy and easy to clean now. I just move the case and dust on the bottom. That's all. How nice, right? And cute. I forgot to put the sticker said custom inspection at the size. I will put later. You see in the picture from the seller earlier. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.